So it's been ages since I've done one of these, and today we're doing a dress diaries. And it's gonna be for Misty Sky. I love Misty Sky and I'm really happy I have it. I actually have it twice, and I have one Misty Sky novelty as well, so I'm going to show you all of that. I'm going to start off small and with my novelty. So this is a Misty Sky notebook. I've never actually opened it, so I'll do that now. I got this from Closet Child reasonably recently. I think it's brand new. Yeah, it's actually in its packaging within the Closet Child packaging. So this is originally 1,000 yen and I paid 800, so it's not an expensive item. But yeah, Misty Sky notebook. It's such a cute print, but I had to get the notebook before I even got any of the dresses. So I'm gonna go, both of mine are not the normal releases. I have one of the Brilliant Colours and the Tokyo exclusive OP. I do not know much about it. It's not on Lollyberry. There's just not much information out there, but it's Sailor and it's great, and that's a sneak preview. So yeah, I'm gonna go with my Brilliant Colour first. These all have really weird names, but I call this one the grey because it's a grey at the top, gradient through lavender and into a pink at the bottom, which my camera is refusing to pick up, but it's a very cute pink. It's very much like pink. So Misty Sky is a layer of like chiffon, one lining layer with lace, and then another lining layer with a little bit of a built-in petticoat, which really surprised me because you don't normally get those on chiffon AP releases. It's got straps, full back shirring, and really cute little like twinkly buttons. It has the same ones on the waist ties as well. Then it's got possibly like my favourite feature of any dress that's like unnecessary. It's got twinkly rickrack. It's small and it's sparkly. I guess rickrack's not quite the right word, but twinkly trim. And then really cute white lace, which is different from the lace on the hem. The lace on the hem is the AP logo and star lace. So the print itself, I'm gonna shuffle forwards for. I forgot the bows as well. The bows are like this blue-grey that's sparkly and catches the light, and it's really soft and it's really cute. The print itself has got little stars and clouds. Most people just see it as like the cloud dress, but it also has moons and stars. It's a really interesting sky scene. I actually have another dress that's angelic pretty. I actually have another dress that's basically based on Misty Sky. I'm getting the pink a bit better now, so you get the nice gradient between the lavender and the pink. Yeah, I have another dress that's based on Misty Sky, like inspired by, and it's one of those ones where it's like not quite a replica but definitely trying to be in the same vein, and I like the clouds on that one a lot, but you compare it to like the little details and it's just not the same. So yeah, we've got more, there's like shooting stars as well. It's just a really cute versatile dress, and yes, it does in fact have pockets, which is very important. So yeah, I don't know what more I can say about this one because it's just super cute. I do also have, for this, I have the bow, and it has a little star charm, and it's the same kind of fabric. It's just like one long strip down of the gradient, so it's got the grey on this side and then the pink there. It's not my favourite bow because it just kind of looks a bit funky, and they all look a bit funky because they're all basically just strips. But one grace is that mine has the moon on it, which you can barely see in this light. So next up we have the OP. Now this I got with a bit of an impulse buy. It's a sack dress, so I wasn't sure it was going to fit me, and it has these really cute like slightly longer sleeves that are sheer. These I do need to make little extenders for the buttons for, But yeah, this is the OPE, and I cannot find any information out about this one. Well, not much anyway. So it's got this really cute little sheer sailor collar. This little triangle here is actually detachable, so you can change it up a little bit. I think this bow is as well. Yeah, the bow here is detachable. And we've got the sailor collar on the back. It's split because there's a zipper, which is very useful considering this is quite a small head hole, even when you take the bow off. We have the same style of like twinkly buttons, the same print, just this one's all grey. I really like it because it reminds me of the sky where I used to live, which sounds really horrible, but when it's I used to live in the northeast full time, and when it rains and it's quite a dark day, the sky does just go grey and everything kind of goes foggy and grey, and it really like reminded me of home. So yeah, same cute print, same cute idea. This one has one layer, 2 layers of the same lace, and then just a lining. And it does also have pockets, which I don't know if is normal in sack dresses, because I have this one, Bunny College. Yeah, it's got pockets, and they're quite decent pockets, same as most AP really. And I have the bow for this one as well, but it's missing the little charm that should go in the middle. I'll probably replace that at some point. The only issues I really have with these bows is the absolute like scale of them. They're really hard to wear like other than on the back of your head because of the size of them. But yeah, that is a very quick chatter about Misty Sky and the fact that I have it twice. I am planning on cording it like this at some point, so that I'm excited about. Yeah, Misty Sky, I would recommend. The JSK is super comfy as well. I was really surprised with how comfy it was. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.